Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. To call a Google Assistant we need to use the right earbud. At the back side, at the top right here we have SOUNDPEATS logo. So this is actually a touch area. You need to press 3 times at this touch area. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it awake. But I call Gemini because we set up Gemini at this phone. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.